Where'd you get that?
I guess someone fixed the coffee machine.
That smells amazing.
I would give you $1 million for a decaf latte. What do you say? Would you mind getting one for your poor sick mom?
I can do that. I'll be right back.
So, looks like we can cross Miracle Cure off the list.
Must be some other option.
I need you to promise me something.
Okay.
When I'm gone, Caroline is gonna need you. Even if she doesn't know it. She's gonna need someone to help her move on with her life. Someone to just make her smile. Promise me that you will do that, Stefan.